get behind, I'm not stopping.
What do you mean by that?
Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. Go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy DAVO coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. Today, big cuz let me see the little strike dike. Check it out. Just let me see the little strike thing, man. We switching cars for 24 hours, folks. So shout out big cuz. I can't put them in the camera, folks, but shout out big cuz for letting me whip this motherfucker down state line.
You going to jail?
Start to join up for y'all boys.
What is that?
This motherfucker is under construction right now, folks. This joint is under construction right now. But it still runs, shorty. Damn. Hold up, folks. The fuck? Hell no. My boy Troy. You already know. Troy in the cut. We do not promote strikers, man. Tell them, we do not promote this shit.
All legit, bro. We bought this with our own hard cash, bro.
We do not promote this shit, man. It's just a fucking lifestyle, shorty. Shout out to Big Cuz. Can't put him in the camera, but shout out to Cuz. Man, we switching cars for the day.
Yes, sir.
Look. Switching cars for the day, so we finna cut up in traffic. Yeah, man, just enjoy this joint, man. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that sub button. Yeah, man, we going up. Shorty, check it out, Troy, check it out. Y'all ain't even seen this joint on the channel yet. The last time y'all seen it, it was blue. He didn't wrap this joint pink, shorty. It's looking a little dirty right now, man. It's still under construction. He over there looking like Jason Tatum.
Bro, Jason Tatum.
Come on, man. Bro, talk about the car, folks. Talk about the car.
Dude,
what you do to it?
No, bro. You know, we got Demon 170 hood. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this the only one in the rack like this. You ain't gonna see no other car with this. Or this color.
Look, y'all, folks. This is the first ever stolen Demon 170 300 Charger, folks. I mean, 300 Chrysler. I'm talking about some Charger. 300 Chrysler, folks. The first stolen joint. Nah, folks, this original joint, he got the 5 spokes. Then he got the little Chrysler rims in the back. He done painted them joints pink. Let me know how y'all feel about this joint, man. Let me know if I should sell my Charger and build 3 Chrysler 300s, folks.
Bro, you...
Folks said trying to get camera time. Look, folks. My boy Chuck. What the fuck you want? What you want, boy? My doggy Chunk, man. You ready for St. Louis?
Yeah, boy, it's gonna be outside.
Folks. Yeah, though, y'all, man. Hey, let's get into this POV, because I'm knowing y'all want to see this POV. Boy, them your keys for today, boy. Cuz got Louisiana plates on this motherfucker. He tripping. Where you get these plates from, folks? Man, you must have printed them motherfuckers out yourself or something. Folks says they got this bitch from Louisiana. Yo, I can't put Big Cuz face in the camera, folks. His ass look like Young Chop. Sad. Then he told me this joint ain't even got AC, folks. I'm finna be in this joint burning. So make sure that y'all hit that like button, folks. I'm risking my motherfucking life for y'all. I'm risking my motherfucking freedom for y'all for some content. This shit is ridiculous. Never again. This is the first and only time, folks. He got so many lights on this motherfucker, boy. This shit out of place. Man, this is so ugly, folks. This nigga got a Lil Durk shirt on, folks. He must have got that from his concert or something. Hey, what's your favorite song from Lil Durk?
Man, there's so many. I could do Back Door.
Get in the car, folks. Get in the car. He tweaking. He talking about back door. He tweaking. Go, go, go. Dang. He finna hit me, folks. Light-skinned little boy finna hit my car. This ain't even my car, I'm tripping out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
My shit look good, don't it? He and that motherfucker smiling. He and that joint smiling. Hey, his speakers loud as hell. What type of speakers he got in there? He got 2 subs in that motherfucker. Getting that bath. Man, ain't getting that bath. Bath, bath. Oh! Oh! This joint ain't got no AC, shorty. I'm in this motherfucker burning. I'm in this motherfucker with a loose ass ski on, burning. Folks need to hurry up and get me back in my car, folks. I don't feel comfortable in this joint. If 12 get behind, I'm not stopping. 12 get behind, we gonna do 60 fucking miles. Oh yeah, he tripping. How the f this nigga missing turns? He finna act a fool. Oh! See how this joint coming. See how this joint coming. Bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh, shit.
black lows on, driving with 2 feet. Hey, don't try this at home, kids. You supposed to drive with more than 1 foot, not 2. Auntie, is that you? She ain't even paying no attention. This a young man in a stolen car with a switch. With a switch on him. E-way time. They would come the way that it's hella state troopers, fool. Come on, Escalade. You tripping out. Wow. It's only 2 lanes right here, 2 foot. That 300 sound good. That 300 sound lovely. On the guys. Hey, bro, and look. If anybody trying to get some content in while we in St. Louis, bro, from the 6th to the 8th, just DM me, bro. DM me up on Instagram. My Instagram gonna be like right there, folks. DM me on Instagram and we can get some content in. If you a real creator, folks. If you don't be on that content shit, man, I ain't finna collab with anybody, for. Look at this nice young man. Tripping out. They better catch up. They trying to wait in traffic, shorty. I'm in something I'm not supposed to be in. I can't be in traffic. Better chill out, folk. On the guys, you better chill out. That gas station always packed, folks. I remember when this gas station first opened up, folks. Somebody got smoked at like 4 in the morning. Go, 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 go. Hey, make sure that y'all hit that like button, man. She looking at me crazy. She looking at me like, what the fuck? He got a mask on? What is he doing? Like she seen a motherfucking devil in my motherfucking eyes or something. That's all you can see, shorty, is these motherfucking eyes through this. She on some, man, she thought I was finna folks be acting a fool, folks. He finna pop the low before he even get there. This supposed to be headquarters. Folks finna pop the motherfucking low. GTA headquarters. Shaq. What? Appreciate you. Oh yeah, bro. That wine so crazy in my shit. But yeah, though, y'all, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. We gonna blank out this whole clip. I was never in this whip, shorty. We finna switch over to DAVO. Right now, you talking to a nigga named Marvin. We gonna switch over to DAVO in like a couple seconds, folks. Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button, shorty. Let me see that. You tweaking, boy. Bonnie, know if I just got that on camera. With that longboard. Damn. Ooh-wee. It's a movie. Folks got a longboard and a strike thing.
You want it higher or low?
Hell no, I want that joint low, folks. Low as it could go.
I'll do second, because I know you got handles. You know how to move.
Shit, I don't with this camera in my hand. I can't balance.
Yeah, just flick it. You got you. You can even
come on, DAVO. This some next level shit. Oh, hold up, for record me real quick. Let me show y'all kids a little something, man. Bust my shit. Come on now, dog. Oh.
You finna go fast.